Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on iOS. First, open the Apple App Store on your iPhone or iPad and search for Minecraft. Purchase and download the game. Ensure your device has at least 2 gigabytes of RAM for smooth performance. Once installed, launch the app and either log in with an existing Microsoft account or create a new one. This account saves your game progress and allows for multiplayer features. Navigating Minecraft on iOS is intuitive with touch controls. On the left side of your screen, you will find a virtual joystick to control your character's movement. To look around, simply drag your finger across the right side of the screen. Breaking blocks is easy. Just tap and hold your finger on the block you wish to mine. To place a block or interact with an item, tap once on the desired location. Survival is key in Minecraft. Your first priority should be to gather wood to craft a crafting table and then a wooden pickaxe. Use the pickaxe to mine stone, which allows you to create more durable tools and a furnace. Before night falls, construct a simple shelter to protect yourself from hostile mobs. Always keep an eye on your hunger bar and gather food like apples or raw meat to stay healthy. Minecraft offers vast worlds to explore, filled with diverse biomes, from lush forests to arid deserts. You might stumble upon ancient ruins or bustling villages. For a shared experience, you can join friends through local multiplayer or subscribe to Minecraft Realms for a persistent server. Personalize your adventure by choosing from hundreds of unique character skins available in the marketplace, making your avatar truly your own.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.